Hi, how may I help you today?
I'm planning to go abroad for my higher studies.
Which country have you planned to go abroad?
I'm hoping to go for Canada, Australia, or UK.
Have you completed your IELTS?
No, I'm looking forward to do my IELTS.
You have come to the right place at the right time. We are conducting a free IELTS workshop for the students who are planning to go abroad.
That's great. Could I have more information about it?
Okay. I'll introduce you to our trainer who will explain further about the workshop. Mr. Nalin, could you please explain further about the workshop?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ami. To know the secret of success, you have to attend this workshop and also to achieve high score. Attending this workshop will help you to understand and improve the listening as well as the speaking components. If you want to succeed, you have to attend this workshop. If you want to succeed and help and to get a good score, you have to attend. So please try to attend this. Don't hesitate. You have the potential to do well. So if you attend, definitely you will gain confidence to write the exam. So please don't miss it. So we all can meet you at the workshop organized by British College of Applied Studies at 𝐈𝐄𝐋𝐒 at 3 p.m. on 12th February 2023. See you. Good luck. Hope to meet you.